kids, Wolf Timber here for another episode of Urban Legends You Want Busted. Now today's urban legend involves a millennial and time travel. Yes, the millennial goes back in time and he ends up facing a meth rat. Well, we all know how bad meth rats are. And we all know the story about this David guy and this other guy named Goliath, and how David basically ruined Goliath's day with a sling. Now, being a millennial, he did not have a sling handy. But being a millennial, he had a phone cord charger and duct tape. I mean, what else would a millennial have on him other than a phone cord charger? So he quickly makes a sling out of a phone cord charger. Now, if you've ever watched anything like Todd's Workshop or another channel called Dash Rainier, probably butchered the guy's last name, do apologize for that. They showed how to make slings. Well, you know what? We're making a very improvised sling. Take your phone cord, make a loop, approximately the middle. We're going to take some duct tape, or gaffer tape if you're British. Don't know why people want to tape gaffers. Don, what's a gaffer?
Can't tell you.
Well, you can tell me. I mean...
Oh, can't do it.
Okay, well, Don's being an asshole and won't tell me what a gaffer is. Okay. So we're going to take some duct tape, because, well, we don't tape gaffers here in America. And according to Todd, we can just take this stuff kind of put it here, make sort of a pouch. Alright, and I do know that this does have to be somewhat level and somewhat centered. Let's see what we have for leveled and centered. Not looking too bad so far. We're going to try to make this so it's halfway straight. Take some more duct tape here. Now remember, the millennial is facing a meth rat. Meth rat, this is a meth rat. Meth rats frequently hang out on coffee cans. Coffee can. So he makes probably the world's quickest, most basic sling. I know, pretty ugly, but... Well, then you have to take, this end's a little longer, and you gotta tie a loop in it to put your finger through. So we got a loop in it. We're just gonna put some tape on that to hold it, because... And if it looks like I really don't know what I'm doing, it's probably because I really don't. I've never made a sling before. I've never slung a sling before. I just know the basic concept. Alright, well, we got a nice little loop we could stick our finger through. You gotta have a loop, that way it don't fly out of your hand. Now then you hold this end. And for projectiles, we're using nitrous oxide cartridges. Nitrous oxide cartridges. Now, these weigh 1 ounce. A traditional lead slug, which was shaped approximately like this. We're going to use one with a hole in it. So the traditional lead slugs were about 2 ounces. These weigh 1 ounce. Why am I using these? Well, one, I got a lot of them, and two, they're approximately the right shape. Three, they got holes in them. We're shooting with a 22, they go poof. Pretty cool, really. But hopefully the hole causes them to whistle. So we're going to walk somewhere away. Well, there's a car there, there's a car there. We're going to walk over there. So if one of these hits the car, I'm not buying down a new windshield. Yes, I may be stupid, but I'm also cheap. So we're going to hit pause and walk over there. Okay, we're back. We've got a pond out in back of us. It's only a detention pond. Not like there's fish or nothing. I'm going to take my ring off so I don't throw it in the pond. Yeah, wife puts up a lot, losing the ring in the pond. Yeah, we may not go over well. And I'm too cheap to buy a replacement ring without telling her, so... Alright, base concept. You put your rock, lead weight, whatever, into the hastily made pouch. You whip it over your head a few times. You throw it, and I have no idea if the cartridge even fell out early. We're going to try this a few times.
See if I get a better, wider angle view here. Maybe I can see something.
What's that?
Try to get it back so maybe I can get a wider view.
Ah.
See it one way or another.
Okay, well, that does seem to be in there fairly well. Oh, look, there it is. Yeah, it went about 6 feet. I did tell you I have no idea what I'm doing. These are a little bit lightweight. I'm not having good luck with this. Okay, so I guess, can you actually make a sling out of a phone cord and duct tape? No, you got a few more cartridges left?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? I got 4 more failures here, so we're going to fail 4 more times. No, we're going to demonstrate 4 more times, not fail. No, failure's not an option. I mean, yeah, this actually, maybe if I knew what I was doing, could be a... Went off pretty good. Well, about 100 feet?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. No real velocity to them, but again, to defend yourself against meth rats out of a phone cord and duct tape. You know, I suppose if I spent more than 8 seconds building this, yeah, it's plausible. So, building a sling out of a phone cord and duct tape. Plausible. That's a cut. So we're going to try this one more time, but we're going to use some rocks. We're going to see if rocks will work better. Now that one one actually went halfway decent. You can actually see it went straight. So if that would have been a 2-ounce lead projectile, shaped like that teardrop shape, that would have been point first. Maybe it was a flip? I don't know. We got a rock. Where's a little extra weight? Makes a difference. Let's try this again. Quickly option. That's why it's not pretty. Now that rock's not going to work. You know what? We're going to make some slight modifications to this pouch, and we're going to come back. It usually takes a few seconds. Okay. Alright, we're back. We've made a little bit of a modification to the pouch. Centered it up a bit, retaped it. Just made it a little bit better. We're going to blame it on poor construction, not my complete inability to do this. We're trying rocks now. They're heavier. We're going to see if the extra weight makes a difference. I didn't hear breaking glass. Well, and that big rock. So, do big rocks work better than empty nitrous oxide cartridges for sling ammo? Whoops. Yeah, I think part of this is the pouch is not adequately holding the projectile. I think that's part of it. Part of it's also, I have no clue what I'm doing. About 20 feet, hit a tree branch. So, can this work? Well, if you're being attacked by a meth rat, you're screwed. Yeah, that's cut. Okay, well, cameraman Don brought up a good point. If you're being attacked by a meth rat, use this as a garrote. Just strangle the little bastard. Thank you. Okay, now remember when I said you're better off when being attacked by a meth rat to use this as a garrote? Die, you little bastard! Okay, well that's us strangling the meth rat. Alright, can't get too violent, you know, standards. Alright, that's cut.